How to download Hamster Combat on iOS. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download your Hamster Combat in your iOS device, in your iPhone or in your iPad. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your App Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Hamster Combat. And as soon as you search for it, you will see a bunch of different mobile applications to download, but none of them are authentic Hamster Combat mobile application for you to get. So in order to get the authentic one, you first have to go to the search bar again in your App Store, and after that just simply search for Telegram and just simply launch the Telegram application in your device, in your mobile device or in your iPad. And once you're done downloading the Telegram messenger in your device, just simply open it. And as soon as you open the Telegram in your device, just simply go to the search icon from the top right corner of the screen, and over here just simply search for Hamster, and after that just go to the channel section from the middle of the screen, and over here just simply tap on the first option that you will see which says Hamster Combat announcement. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply scroll up in the chat section itself, and after that just simply click on play section from the chat again. And as soon as you click on the play section, you will be able to see the option called launch. Just simply tap on launch, and as soon as you click on it, your Hamster Combat mini app will start downloading in your device, and then you can use it quite easily. And as you can see that the Hamster Combat has been launched in my iPad on the screen. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to download Hamster Combat on your iOS. I hope you find this video to be helpful.